How to enable or disable calendar recycle bin on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen. On the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the more button. Then tap on the settings icon. In calendar settings, we now scroll down. And in here, tap on recycle bin. Tap on the toggle button to turn off recycle bin for calendar. Now once it is turned on, if you delete an event, so this one here, so delete, move to recycle bin. Now if you go to recycle bin, you can actually restore it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.